hope you guys miss me because I totally missed you guys for sure. Welcome back to another Tuesday quick and easy video. Today I am inspired to make a fall lantern, and I was actually inspired to make them because of these very cute faux wood picture frames that I found at Dollar Tree. They are very fall-y, aren't they? They're very cute. So without further ado, let's get started with the video. So you're going to need 6 picture frames, and you are going to take all of the content out because you are going to go ahead and pull all of the tabs out. Push tabs to its original position before pulling them out. Next, I'm going to be tracing Happy Fall right on top of one of the glass from one of my frames, and I'm going to be using a oil-based paint marker that I got from Walmart. This is in the color black. And as far as my printout right here, I just went on Google and I just Googled Happy Fall, and I went under images and I printed this out. Okay, so very easy. Now all you have to do is place the glass right in the middle. So go ahead and center it, and then you are going to trace right over it. I wish I had a fine point Sharpie or a fine point paint marker, but that one dried out. So I'm using a medium point, but if you can find a fine one, it will be much better. Now I'm going to be gluing all of the glass inside my frames, and I'm going to be using E6000 mostly. So the E6000 is going to go in the middle of the frames right here on the edges, and then I'm going to be applying hot glue to the corners so it can help me keep the glass secure while E6000 dries. Now I'm gonna go ahead and start putting my lantern together with hot glue. Now I'm going to work on the top part of the lantern. Lastly, I'm going to add this beautiful leaf candle holder underneath my lantern to give it a little fall-y texture. And that's pretty much it, guys. Alright guys, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. This is a very quick and easy fall home decor that you can use in any room of your home. Let me know in the comments below if you think you're going to make this DIY. If not, just let me know in the comments below how much you missed me this whole week I was gone. Alright guys, until next time, bye.